Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool, place value chart. We are focusing on place value relationships with a problem related to TEKS 5.7a, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, and pause it, and we will look at our answers together. So it seems like we've got a pretty simple conversion problem. We got Mia running 4.2 or 4 and 2/10 kilometers every morning. And then how many meters does she run in 5 days? So we need to do two steps here, but hopefully you notice before we just plunge right into it, they give us one unit, 4.2 kilometers or kilometers. You can say it either way. And then they're asking for the answer in meters. And notice all of our answers are in meters as opposed to kilometers. So we're going to have to do some conversions there. And that's where this place value chart is going to be helpful. Now, this is every morning. So first we need to go ahead and do this in 5 days. Okay, so let's think of it, right? We can think of this first step as kind of a part whole, right? So we can think of this as every morning means we've got equal groups, right? So this is a strip diagram that we could use. Equal groups because every morning, and that tells us what our unit's going to be, right? The unit's going to be the kilometers, right? And so this is the number in each group. And then we've got 5 days, okay? So that's the number of groups. The one thing we are going to have to keep in mind is that it's asking for it in meters. We're going to have to do that second. But we can go ahead and draw this first step here. So I'm going to get 5 groups. And I'm going to say 4.2 km. And that's going to be all the way across. 4.2 km. Make sure we get that decimal so it doesn't turn into 42. And I'm simply looking for the total. 4.2 km. All right, so we could just multiply that. We can say 4.2 times 5. There's 5 groups. So that's going to be 10, 20, 21. Now we need to remember our decimal here. There's one digit behind the decimal here, so we need one digit behind the decimal. So 21.0, or we can just say 21 km. Now, even if I wasn't paying attention to the units, the kilometers to meters, then I should notice that's weird. There is no answer. That hopefully would have been our very first clue. Where we need the place value chart is converting the kilometers into meters. So if we were to look at our mathematics chart or a reference chart that we would see if we were taking this question on a STAR test, we would notice that it's going to say 1 kilometer. And it's going to give us an equality there equals 1,000 meters. And so there's also going to be some other ones there, right? Like 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, and then 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters. All right. So let's build our place value chart here. And I'm going to build it slightly different way here. I'm going to kind of build it like this to where it's got some layers. All right, so here is my meter, and that's my basic unit. So I'm going to make that the ones place. Now, if I go 1,000 meters, all right, so this is going to be 10 meters. That's going to be 100 meters. So this is going to be 1,000 meters. They tell me that this 1,000 meters is going to be my kilometers. And if I wanted to, right, I can make that the 1/10. I can make that the 100th, and that would be a centimeters. I can make that the 1,000th. That would be the millimeters. So I've got 21 kilometers. So I need another spot here, and that's going to be the 10,000, right? So here's my 21. How many meters is this? Well, I need to take it from my kilometers to my meters. So I go over 1, 2, 3 decimal places, and I add 3 zeros. My answer is C.